video about PCOD and PCOS, the very basic three asanas. If you practice these three asanas for 10 days or 15 days, you will see a lot of improvement in your hip opening as well as cycle irregularities. So let's practice. So first asana is the Titli asana or butterfly. You can join the outer edge of the feet this way and start toggling from the right and start toggling to the left this way. Okay, and make sure your spine is perfectly straight to allow the prana flow. Okay, whatever you are inhaling, so that will follow the full prana flow. The spine is perfectly straight. So now you start inhale and exhale. Even if your knees are not coming down, you can toggle a little bit of right and a little bit of left. Those whose knees are not coming down, they can toggle a little bit of right and a little bit of left this way. Okay, go very slow and smooth. Don't forcefully bring these knees down. Okay, it will never happen. You are going to hurt yourself. Okay, so place your fingertips this way. Inhale and exhale. Then inhale and exhale. Okay, this is the first asana. The second asana is you are opening your feet according to your mobility. If your your feet is this much apart, that's okay. But if you can open it little wider, that's better. And hold your knees, move your chest forward. Okay. Now place your fingertips on the floor. Try moving both the knees to the down. Okay. Make sure this thigh and calf is 90 degree. This thigh and calf is 90 degree. Fingertips on the floor. Then up and you are rotating to the other side. This way. This knee and thigh is this calf and thigh is 90. This calf and thigh is 90. And you are twisting your body to the right. You are feeling stretch over here. Okay. If you are not feeling comfortable, you can place one cushion down over here. This way you can place your knees down. Okay, and the other side, this knee will come to the cushion again. Okay, you can place this knee down, then inhale up, inhale and exhale. You can do this way. Okay, so now this is the second asana, and the third asana is from here only. You can place your palm, you can lift it up. If this is very uncomfortable, you can bring your feet closer and you can try lifting your body up this way. If still it is not comfortable for you, you can come on to Malasan, use your hands and press the hand, come on to Malasan like this way. You can wide apart your toes, you press your palm like this way, press your chest this way. Okay, if still it's not comfortable, you can place the bricks or the cushion below your hips. Then press the fingers, try moving your knees. This knee is down, this heels is up. Okay, then inhale and exhale. Okay, try moving to open your thigh and hip joint this way. Okay, and after 10 count or 10 repetition, you can stay in Malasan like this way. If still you feel very uncomfortable, you can place your palm on the floor and do. This is very beginner practice, so don't force your body too much. Start inhale and exhale, and these elbows are pressing your inner thighs out. Press your palm, chin up. Each inhale and exhale, allow the prana to flow through the spine. Thank you for watching. You practice these three asanas for PCOD, PCOS and more hip mobility and flexibility. Thank you.